Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, February 8th. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at a new instrument that we just recently added in our service. This is to replace some of the existing instrument. This is Cardano. It's a cryptocurrencies, and this is a 2-hour time frame. Now we can see here we ended this with 1 in the intermediate degree at 0.4, and now doing this with 2 pullback. Now the decline from this 0.414, it looks to be in a 5 swing. We are calling this as a diagonal due to the overlap between 1 and 4, and that diagonal 5 ways down should be ending with A, and now looking for a 3-ish rally in the P before turning lower again. So as long as we stay below 0.414 here, that means Cardano can still see another leg down again due to the 5 swing down. Now the only way that couple of possible options, let's say if we break higher instead, then we can call this some sort of expanded flat or running flat from somewhere here, some sort of APC running flat before turning higher again. Okay, but otherwise, as long as we stay below 414, again we are calling or we are looking for another leg down before we finish this with to pull back here. Now zooming out to the larger time frame, daily time frame, we can see we ended this with 1 over here in the intermediate degree right here. So what we're doing then simply is that this rally starting from January, early January, this cycle ended as a 5 waves, and we're calling that wave 1. So now looking for wave 2 pullback in 3 swings to correct that cycle from early January, right? Looking for a 3 pullback before it resumes higher again afterwards. All right, so for now we're looking for further downside while it stays below 0.414 over here. All right, so for the updates on this, please you can check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.